Hello, this is Calvin. Today, I want to talk about student admission system. So here's the login window. So you just need to put in your username. Okay, then you put your password. After that, you put your registration code. Okay, then you click login. You can also change your credentials here, especially the password. Right. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard is very neat. Okay, you're able to see the sidebar here with various modules. Okay, each of these icons represent or carry some information, right? There's some summary we have here, you can see. Then over here you can see we have support, where you can get the contacts. Okay, then we can also have the user guide and also about the system. Okay, we can also look at the logout, exit, and so on. Then we have settings here. Here we have settings where you will be able to change the school details. You'll be able to change your password. You'll be able to reset the system. Okay, so let me start by looking at the main modules. The module for managing teachers, the module for managing classes, streams, drivers, routers, routes, students, and then a report, right? So we'll look at teachers. So when you click that, you'll be able to see that we have this form here where you'll be entering the teacher's details, the teacher's name, sex, phone number, email address, responsibility. For example, let us enter one teacher, maybe George. Then we have the gender or sex, that is male, phone number. Okay, then the email address, maybe Jav. Okay, and Gmail. Okay, then the responsibility, let's say is a senior teacher, right? Senior teacher. Then you save that detail, so you can see it has been saved within a split of a second. So immediately you save that particular detail of that particular teacher, you are able to see that on the grid here, the teacher is already listed as number 10, right? With all the details that you have used. You can also update. So when you want to update, just come and click on the teacher on the grid. Then all the details will be displayed on these controls. Then you will proceed and do the update. So for example, the one which we have just entered, you click on it, then you can see all the details have already been displayed. So you're able to edit even the phone number. Let us change this 5 to maybe 1. Okay, then you click update. So when you click update, you can see already the phone number. When you look at the phone number, you can see we change it to 1, and that is what we are able to see there. You can also delete. When you click delete, you'll be able to delete that particular row of that particular data you just entered, or any data you want to delete, just click on it, then you click delete here. Okay, so that is how you manage the teachers. Then we have classes. Classes are very important because the students belong to those particular classes. So you can add the classes here. Let us add maybe grade 6. Okay, grade 6. Add grade 6. Then you save. So that is all. You can see there's split our scans already on the grid here. So you can also update. Click on it, then if there's spelling error or something, you're able to update instantly. Okay, so you can also delete. Just click on it, then delete. So if for example you want to delete this one here, just click on it, then delete. It's not there. If you want to delete from 3, just click delete. Right, so within a split of second, everything is done. So that is class. Then stream, because students also belong to classes, then within the classes we have streams. All right, so maybe grade 7, for you want to add some streams under grade 7. For example, grade 7, you want to add some streams, so you want to say grade 7, maybe C, grade 7C. Then who is the class teacher? Then all the teachers you added to the system will be listed here. All right, so you can add maybe this one here, then you save. So already we have the grade 7 C here with the class teacher. So you can also delete. You click on it just the way we have done for teachers and classes. Just click on it, then it will be displayed. Then you can either update or delete, right? That is that. Then we go to drivers, because some schools have got drivers and we have to manage the routes. Okay, so we have driver name here, maybe Jackson, Jackson, Jackson Mwangi, Jackson Mwangi. Then what is the gender? Maybe male. Phone number, you put the phone number there. Then the email, maybe Jack. So that one, just the email, and that is what you put there. Then you enter, and that is all. You can see Jackson Mwangi is already there. So you can also update. Just click on it, then update whatever you want to update. Then you click update. You can delete. You can do all those crude operations. Okay, that is all. Then router. Router is someone who is in charge of a route. It's like a conductor. So it's in charge of the route. So we may have maybe route A, route B, route C. So the router is the one who is in charge of maybe route A, route B, or route C. Okay, so let us add the routers. So the router number one, maybe let us have Monica, Monica Jaden, Monica Jaden. Then this female phone number, then email Monica. Okay, then you save. So when you save, it is done. So Monica is already here. If you want to update the same way, you can also update, change anything you update, you can delete as well. Right. So that is router. Then route, those are the main flying routes where the school bus is operating to ensure that students or pupils reach school on time. Okay, so we have the route's name. So like I can say Kwacha Kwacha. So Kwacha Kwacha is a route. Okay, so the driver, these are the drivers. We have already added them. So maybe Kepas Gregory. So when you put the driver, the phone number will be displayed there. Then the router, who is in charge of that route, maybe Jakala Vivita. Okay. Then we have the router's phone number here already displayed. So you save. So when you save that one, everything is done here. Okay. You can update as well if you want to update. Just click on it, then update what you want to update. If you want to delete, the same way, click on it, click delete. That is done. So then we now have the very, very important component or module that all those other modules we were entering data into depend on. Okay, so this is student module. So here we manage student details, and it is the module which is long. It has got a lot of details because we need to know each and every student uh, very, very extensively. So first and foremost, you need to add the admission number. So let's say the admission number is 1207. If the admission number is already there, it will actually inform us. So let us have 12 of 10, 12 of 10. Then we have the name, Grecorix Jalango. Grecorix Jalango is male, date of birth. So here you just put the date of birth. Okay. So let us say he was born the year 2000, February 10th. Religion, Christianity. Select medical conditions. So maybe he is suffering from, let's say, asthma. So inhalers, medication. Okay, then you put the image, or the image of the student, right? So the image, let me check if I have the image here. see our photos, then here they are here, so we can put the image. Okay, so this person here, let us put this person. Okay, that is the image. Then upload academic documents. So academic documents, you need to have the academic document scanned for those students, then you upload them. So let me say we have this one here, so like this one here, academic document, so like this one as a slip. Okay, so next you put the father's name, Christopher. Christopher Lenovo. Okay, then father's occupation, father's journalist, workplace, Mandera. Then residence, Mandera. Phone number, phone number 2. So we have phone number 1 and phone number 2. Okay, then next, so this is now mother's detail. So mother's detail, we can have Jane Alonita. Then the occupation is let's say it's a nurse. Then workplace, Nairobi. Residence, Nairobi. Phone number 3723. Phone number 2. Then we go to next, guardian. So if the guardian is there, just put the details. So we can want to put the details of the guardian from Boya. So occupation of this guardian, let's say it's a lawyer. And then workplace, Thika. Residential place, Thika. Phone number 0. Okay, phone number 2. Then you go to next. So student history. So previous school where the student was studying. So you can say Mandera Junior School. Then previous class he was in grade 7. Now is learner staying with parents? Let's say if you say yes, then this particular control will be displaying not applicable. Or if you say no, then you have to put in the reason, or whoever or wherever he's staying, you have to specify that one here. Okay, so let me say no, then we say uncle, he's staying with the uncle, right? He's not staying with the parent, but he's staying with the uncle. So students category details. So is learner joining boarding? Yes. So where to stay is now not applicable. Is learner to use school bus? No. So when we say no, because it's in boarding, everything is now not applicable. But when we say yes, then you need to have to complete this particular details. You put in the details there. So let me say, even here, let me just say no, so that we put in uh, specify where to stay. So this one we just say uncle. So using school bus, yes, because now it's using the uncle will have to travel to school. School route, now our route is Komala. Route bus driver, Cephas Gregory. So everything is filled here. Everything is filled. Okay, everything is filled. So we go to next. Students admission details. So now we select class admitted. We are admitting this student in grade 8. Now select stream grade 8 A. Class teacher is already here, Peter Kaloma. Everything is there. It's already filled because it's auto filling for us. So everything is done. Date of admission is let me say okay 7 today, right? Then we save. So once you save, you can see everything is just done straight away. Already it is saved. So we are in page 1. Now we start on another student. Okay, so that is what you do. That's what you do. If you want to clear this particular tab captions, you can just come here and click on this one. Okay, click on this one, then close further details. Yes, close further details. So you can see they are being closed. They're being closed. You can see that already all of them are closed. So you can start afresh. So if you want to maybe update a student, you need just put the admission number here, maybe 12 was it 12 of 10, the one we just entered. Okay, it was 12 of 10. So you can see immediately we searched, everything is there, and now you can see everything is just there. All the details have been filled. Okay, so we wanted to update. So there's something I want us to update because we didn't put the transfer, maybe the transfer document. You can see here in this page, students history, the upload transfer document here we didn't upload, so I want us to upload the transfer document so that we edit or update that. So let us have maybe transfer this one here as our transfer document. Okay, this one, then we can update. Let us go and update. So this is the button for update. After changing whichever detail you have changed, just come here and say update successfully, and that is it. That's it. So that's what you do. 1200, you search. Okay, then you update whatever you want to update. If you search 1210, the one we just updated, you will see that now when you go to the transfer document we have just updated, you can see it's now there, right? That is all. So that's how you manage students. That's how you manage them, and that's what you do when you are managing the students' details. So uh, these are the captions of the pages for student details. Okay, you can always remove them if you want. Okay, remove them like that. So that one we have removed. So we go back to let us cancel. We go back to dashboard. So now we've put the teacher, class, stream, driver, router, routes, students. We now move to reports. Okay, we now move to reports. So you can as well refresh here. So when you refresh, you can see like students are 6. Okay, there are 6. Teachers there are 8. If you refresh, because we've added some data, you'll see the students will move to 7. The teachers will also move to 7 to 9. Let us refresh so you can see exactly that is what has happened. Students are now 7, the teachers are now 9, classes are 6, so everything has just been refreshed. So after that, you just need to go to reports where you will now generate reports. So you can generate overall class list. So when you are generating overall class list, you just come and select the class, maybe grade 8, okay, grade 8, which year? 2025, because now you need to filter as per year, because if you say grade 8, you are going to generate grade 8 for general or for all the years, and the list may be too long for you to comprehend. So what you do, you filter. You can say grade 8 this year, or grade 8 next year, or grade 8 2021, or something like that, right? So let's have grade 8 2025. We see how the list look like. So you can see it is already, we have the report already. You can see the report. Let me widen this. So this is the grade 8. You can see class list grade 8 2025. Very nice. And then there's a column here where you can utilize for any general. So it's a general purpose column. We just leave it there for you to utilize that. So this is the class list for grade 8 2025. So what about grade 8 maybe 2024, to see if the system is filtering. So you can see grade 8 2024. In the system we have those 2 students, so you can see it has filtered, and the title here is very professional. It's filtering and it is capturing it. Class list grade 8 2024. So that is very nice. So that is how you'll be generating class list. When you go to stream list or stream class list, you'll be generating class list for stream level. Okay, so just select the stream, maybe grade 8A, then year also, because we might have grade 8A 2020, grade 8A 2022, grade 8, 2021, and so on. So you specify the year for which you want to generate that particular report. So grade 8, 8, 2024. The already is telling us no students found for the selected stream for the year 2024, which means we don't have students in that particular uh, year. So what about 2025? So now quite a number. These are for demonstration we have in the system. So for this 2025, you can see we have generated this particular list. So stream list grade 8A 2025. Very nice. So then you can also generate gender class list. So maybe you want to generate grade 8, okay, male class list is grade 8, for example, year 2025, all right? So in other words, you are filtering based on the three criteria, all right? The gender, the class, and the year. So when you generate, you have a list with only the male students, as you can see, the male students. And these male students, they must be grade 8, and it is 2025. So you can see gender list, male, grade 8, 2025, okay? Because you may have male grade 8 2024, male grade 8 2026, okay? So that is very, very professional, and you can see the list is very beautiful. So you can also have students with medical conditions. So you want to have at your fingertip all the students with medical conditions so that you are able to manage them as required. So when you come here, you will only get a list for all students with medical conditions. So 2024 list, these are the students with medical condition in the year 2024. And as we can see, it's coming out to be one student only. And the medical condition is allergies and special needs medication is in class grade 8. And this is the phone number for the parents, okay? So that is the one student. What about 2025? What about 2025? Which students are falling in this category? Students with medical condition. They are quite a number. They are quite a number. These are the students. One is asthmatic. Okay, you can see these are the medical conditions. Then the special needs, inhalers, medications, inhalers, and so on. The class and the phone number of the parent. So you can see how very nicely it's able to filter. Then we move to another very, very important part of the report, that is the biodata slips. Here you will be able to have biodata slip for each and every student, indicating all the details of these students, right from the student himself to the admission details, right? So biodata slips here. So we are able to generate for one student, like for example, let us generate for 1200, then you just click generate. That is for one student only. We are going also to look at how to generate in bulk. So for one student, you are able to see a very, very professional biodata slip for this particular student. This is the logo for that school. This is the image of that particular student. And then you can see the name here, the admission number, the gender, the date of birth, the religion, medical condition, special needs, father's name, father's occupation, so all that. And you'll be able to see even uh, the documents, supporting documents will be also embedded at the bottom of that particular biodata, right? You can see these are supporting documents. We have academic document here, then we have transfer document here. So those documents are also there as supporting documents, okay? So you can see it's just one like that, and everything is on this particular one page. Very professional. So that is how you will be able to generate for one student. You can just put, for example, 12 of 10. We just entered right away. You can also instantly the one we just entered. You can see. Okay, you can see very, very professional, and everything is there. Everything is there. You can see very nice. So that's the biodata slip. So that's how you can generate for one student. What about if you want to generate for the whole class, all right? So for example, you want to generate for grade 8, which year? Year 2025, 2025. So just say bulk generate. When you say bulk generate, now it is not one student, they are now the whole class, that class in that particular year. So you can see as I scroll down, you can see there are now quite a number, each student per page, and every student is having his or her page for biodata slip. Okay, a very beautiful thing. Okay, so that is how you generate in bulk. So you'll be able to generate a PDF documents with all the biodata slips for each and every student in that particular class and in that particular year, and you are able to to print. If you want to print now, you can just come here and then print all of them at once. Okay, so that is very beautiful, and you can see how professional they are. So that is how you generate the biodata slips. You can generate one or you can generate in bulk. So you can also generate for grade 8, but now 2024. For 2024, if there are students in that particular year, then we'll be able to generate student. Similarly, there are students, maybe there are two or one. Okay, it's only one student. It's only one student we have in the system for demonstration. So that one is very nice, as you are able to see. So that is biodata. What about you want to know students as per the admission year? All right, so you come here, you say this grade 8 2025, who are these who are admitted in grade 8 in the year 2025. Then you'll be able to listed. So this is the list of admission year list for grade 8 2025. Okay, so 2025 grade 8, this is the list. You can also say I want to know grade 8 2024. 2024, just generate list for 2024 grade 8. Okay, so if you have 2000 students, the list will have 2000 students. If you have 1000, it will be there, right? So that is great. That's great. That is as per admission year. What about parents contact? Sometimes you may want to have a list containing all the phone numbers for the parents. So you come here, then you say, let me have grade 8, uh, year 2025. Let me have their phone numbers. So when you generate that one, you'll have a contact list containing all the phone numbers for the father, the mother, and the guardian. So father has got two, mother two, guardian two. So this one is having all the phone numbers. It's comprehensive, okay? Comprehensive list, comprehensive contact list, which can be very valuable to you when you want assistance as far as how to help the students concerned. Okay, so that is contact list. So you're able to generate that. You can also generate grade 8, maybe 2024. You see the contact list, and those are the students. Those are the students. Okay, for 2024. So that is very great. That is very great. So also you may want to know routes, which student is falling in which route. Okay, so like for example, this route called Komala, this route called Komala, uh, 2024, who are the students who are being uh, transported through this particular route called Komala in the year 2024. Then only one student. Uh, if there are many, it depends with what is in the system. So my system as that now contains a few data, okay, or a few rows of data, or a few records, all right. So now it will depend with what you have. What about 2025? The same route, 2025. Who are the students? Okay, these are the students in 2025 who are transported to school through this particular route. So you're able to see. Very nice, very nice. very, very, very nice. So that is the reports. Those are the reports, and you have seen how professional, how very nice, and how comprehensive the reports are. All right. So now let me go back to dashboard. So when you look at the dashboard here, you're able to see that we have the icons giving us just some particular summary. So the total number of students, the total males, females, students with medical conditions 4, the males with medical conditions 2, the female with medical conditions 2, total teachers 9, total classes 6, total stream 6, total routes 3, total routers 3, total drivers 4, report types 8, data entities 8, total records 40. So those are summaries, and you can have them at your fingertips. All right. So that is what we have. That is what we have in this student admission system. Very, very important. And this one is a must-have tool in a school. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and may God bless you until we meet next time.